Hey, welcome guys. In this video we're doing an unboxing of the Chromecast audio. So it's a little bit late, but hey, I actually had a need for this and I figured why not review it if I'm going to be using it anyway. So the concept here is to basically plug in this device to a regular speaker, and then it allows you to project audio from, say, your Android or iOS phone or tablet to that speaker. It's basically making it a smart speaker. That's basically the concept here, right? So if it has no Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi capability for streaming, that's what it's going to do. So it works over 2.4 or 5 gigahertz network, very similar to the regular Google Chromecast devices, which I've also reviewed in my channel. So the idea is really simple one here, and it's great because Google is looking to, make your regular speakers smart, because they're really pushing hard on the smart home industry with their Google Home products, for example. So here's the instructions, really straightforward. Plug it into power on your speaker, and of course you then switch the speaker output to that auxiliary wire, which is like the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. And then from your phone, you're going to use the Google app, or it actually tells you to go to chromecast.com/setup, and then you just set it up from there. So here it is. It's extremely small. This thing is really tiny, but yeah, I mean, it's kind of weird that it has ridges on it. I'm not sure if it's meant to look like a vinyl record because it is an audio device. I wonder if Google, that was their intention there. But yeah, I'm just trying to see what kind of ports they have. So there's one for power, and of course, switching over to side, 3.5 millimeter, and a button on the side. So really simple device from what it looks like. And usually Google devices like this are easy to set up. And here's a 3.5 millimeter wired. It's quite short, but again, it's supposed to be kind of, I think the idea is to have it kind of hidden. So after measuring the power cord, it's about 5 feet. That's actually a micro USB cord on one end to power it. So that's pretty much it. That's a really simple unboxing because it's a really simple device. But be sure to check out the review in the video description. The link is there. Be sure to check out my social links in the video description as well. Subscribe, hit that like button, it does help, and thanks for watching.